our channel. As you know, my name is Alicia and I am a travel, accommodation and food blogger. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also press that bell icon, because I keep releasing videos almost on a daily basis giving you complete information about Goa, because I currently live in Goa. So I will be covering various videos giving you complete insight about this place. So for today's video, we are at the Amara Grand Hotel. It's a beautiful property, so I thought I'd probably show you around inside. You can have a look at the amenities that they have and also the kind of rooms. So this will actually help you plan your trip, because this property is located very, very close to Baga. So let's go and I'll show you around inside. So this is the parking area. So they have ample amount of parking for your two-wheelers and four-wheelers as well. So they have a nice seating at the reception area, a waiting lounge, and this is the greenery that you actually get to see. So let's go and check out their rooms. They in fact have around 52 rooms in total in this property, and every room is exactly the same size. So that's the best part. So they're all premium rooms. So let's go check them out. So these are the rooms. So they have a nice couch, and the rooms are pretty decently sized, very, very hygienic. And okay, so they have a television, and then they have a kettle. So they provide you with all of this as well. This is pretty much like a 5-star. I'm talking about the quality of the room and everything. So they have a small mini fridge and a luggage rack and a television. I really like the lighting and the setup of this room. So let me just show you what is the view like. Wow. So you also have a sit out. Let me just go outside and show you what it's like. So this is the view. So they have a total of 3 floors and 52 rooms in total. Wow, look at the greenery that side. So amazing. And they have these sit outs as well, which is really cool. Let me just show you the room one last time. This is the toilet. One thing that I really like about this hotel is that everything is so neat and clean, and it's sanitized. So this is your shower area. It's pretty hygienic. And then you have your cupboards here. Ample amount of storage. You have your shower, bathrobe. And then you have a locker, a safe as well. So this is another room which is right opposite to the other, and it's exactly the same, it's identical. I thought I'll show you the view. The view is slightly different here. Let me just open the door. Wow, check this out. So much of a greenery, and you have a lake a little ahead. I'm not sure if you can actually see it. Wow, this is so gorgeous. So let me show you what are the amenities that they have. So they have a spa as well, which is not operational at this point in time because of the COVID situation. But it is, I think it would be open from the month of October. That's what they've said. So they have a pool which is accessible by everyone. And let me show you that as well. So this is the pool area. You can actually access it from inside the hotel as well as from the outside as well. So they have a lovely pool. They have a small pool for the kids as well. And one thing that I personally like is that they have a bar set up right next to the pool. And this is the restaurant area. It's open from 8 in the morning until 10:30 in the night.